What's up guys, Carly here, and today I'm going to teach you the 3 ways that you can do a jump rope crisscross, just like this. As a former competitive jump roper and jump rope coach, I can teach you too. So make sure you subscribe to my channel right now and come check out this vid. Joining me on the 3 different ways you can do the jump rope crisscross, okay? This is great for any beginner to intermediate. As long as you can jump rope 50 jumps without messing up, you are ready to try the crisscross, okay? So first things first, we just want to make sure that your jump rope is the correct length, okay? So you're going to want to step on it with 1 foot. Bring it right up to both sides, and you want your handles to be somewhere right around your armpits. If it's too short or too long, you're going to trip over your rope, okay? That's first things first. If you have any questions about what type of rope you should be using for what you're doing, you can click on the link right here, and I go through an explanation of all the different types of rope: speed rope, weighted rope, PVC rope, and what they're good for. All right, anyway, let's get started on the crisscross. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna start first without actually jumping over the jump rope, okay? We just wanna make sure that we have the correct form and posture down before you start jumping over the rope, okay? So for a crisscross, you wanna make sure that you are crossing right around your belly button area. You wanna make sure that your wrists are straight and parallel to the ground. If they are facing down, you're gonna trip over your rope. If they're facing up, then you're gonna trip over your rope, okay? So you wanna make sure you have a nice, tight enough cross so that you're gonna have enough room on both sides so the rope is gonna be able to pass underneath you, okay? If your if your cross is not too tight, then you're not going to be able to get it around to be able to actually jump over the loop, okay? That's also why I like long handle jump ropes too. It makes it a little bit easier for you to do your crisscross, but by all means, you don't need to have a long handle jump rope, all right? Just make sure that you're looking and you can see that your handlebars are out past your hips, okay? So that way you're going to have enough room to jump through it. Okay, so we are gonna start with just a jump rope behind us, and we're gonna swing the rope over us, cross, and just let the jump rope hit your toes or your ankles, okay? So the rope's behind you, you're gonna swing it, cross, okay? And just check your form right here. Are your wrists straight? Are they parallel to the ground? Is your loop gonna be big enough for you to jump through, okay? That's what you wanna be checking for. So do this a couple times. So swing the rope over and cross, okay? And just let it hit. Just so you can get used to this momentum. Swing, cross. All right, let's try that again. You're gonna swing, and right when the rope goes over your head, that's when you cross, okay? And you just let it hit the ground. All right, so here we go. Swing, cross, okay? Now, once you have that down and can tell that your form is on point, you're ready to start jumping through, okay? So you're gonna swing, you're gonna cross, and then uncross, okay? That's all there is to it. So you're gonna swing the rope, cross, whoops, swing the rope, cross, uncross, cross, uncross. That's all there is to it. Okay, so once you have that down, then you can practice staying in a cross while you're jumping the rope, okay? So if you can cross, uncross multiple times, you can definitely stay in a cross while jumping rope, okay? So that is just staying in this position right here and not crunching down too much, not like loosening up your cross. You want to just stay the exact same position, nice and tight crisscross right here, and then all you're going to do is just flick your wrist in the same speed that you would be just regularly jumping rope, okay? So if you're jumping rope like this, you're going to cross, and you're going to keep that same speed, okay? And the same momentum with your wrist. There's really nothing to it other than just staying in a crisscross. What happens if people start to kind of get a little loose, and you just got to make sure you stay tight in your cross, okay? So here we go, cross. And just stay in there, just like that. This might take a little bit to practice and get used to staying like this, but you got this, okay? Now, last type of crisscross is a side swing crisscross. Now, if you do not have your side swings down, click on this link right here, and that will take you to a 3-minute tutorial on how to do a side swing, okay? And when I mean side swing, I mean single side swing, okay? So that is swinging, open, swing, open, okay? None of this, all right? You need to be able to do both sides, left and right, with a jump in between, okay? So if you have this down, you're ready to try the crisscross side swing, okay? So you're you're gonna wanna choose what side you wanna start with first. You usually have one side that's a little more dominant than the other, but you still need to be able to learn both sides in order to get this down, okay? So I'm gonna start with my left side just for teaching purposes. So if you are swinging to your left side, your right arm is gonna stay right below your chest, parallel to the ground, and then your left arm is the one that's gonna do a swing and a cross, okay? So it's gonna go swing, cross, and that's when you jump over it, okay? So you wanna make sure that when you're crossing, you have your same good form of having your wrists straight, parallel, and your nice tight cross, okay? Right around your belly button, but below your chest, okay? So if I'm starting with the rope behind me, I'm gonna do a side swing to the left, and I'm gonna cross my left arm over, okay? If I'm starting to the right side, I'm gonna do a side swing to the right, and I'm gonna cross with my right arm over, and my left arm's gonna stay right there, okay? So really you just wanna be able to get this momentum down of swinging, crossing. Okay, once you have the swinging momentum down on both sides, you're ready to start alternating right, left, jumping over the rope, okay? So you're gonna side swing to your left, you're gonna cross with the left, jump, to the right, jump, to the left, jump, okay? I'm gonna do this in slow motion so you can kind of see. Okay, as you can see, I have one arm that stays in place, and then the side that I'm swinging to is the side that's gonna cross. Okay, so it's just left over right, right over left, left over right, right over left, okay? And that's all there is to it, just like that. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Let me know what cross you like best. Is it the regular cross, staying in a cross, side swing crisscross? I'd love to hear from you guys, and make sure you're subscribed right now to my videos and check out some of these other fun ones that I have where you can take your skills to the next level. All right, guys, hope you have a great day, and thanks for joining me. Bye.